Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hey. I have some special guests today. I have my little cousin.
Hi, my name is Sienna.
And I have my little cousin Sanai and Juice, my baby. So today we're going to be making hot chocolate bombs.
Yep.
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 Okay, just sit down. So let's jump right into the video. Everybody get some mug?
Yeah. Here it is.
So these two have done this before, so they're
This one, two. There, 1, 2, 3, 4.
oh, so it's 4 people, but
Yeah.
2 of them have done this already. So they're going to explain
Okay.
what we're doing.
You're going to need your bowl and your chocolate. And some chocolate. Good. You have to use like
Chocolate chips.
Yeah. You can use any chocolate. And then we're going to open the chocolate and pour it in. You can use like a glass bowl that goes like in the microwave. Try it, Mom.
Okay.
So we're going to pour it in.
How much?
You don't like that's good. I teach my mama.
Okay.
So after that, you're going to want to put it in your microwave for 30 seconds.
30 seconds. So let's put this chocolate
In the microwave. What should we do while we wait? Have a dance break? Yeah.
dance party.
Yeah. This that one. And you got that good.
How was school, y'all?
Good.
Extremely hot on the bottom, so please be careful.
So should I do it?
So what you're gonna do first? We have our chocolate here, all melted. And I poop. So now you can take the spoon. You're gonna dip it in the chocolate and just pour it into the mold. And like you have to put it on the outside. Yeah, just like that. Juice. Okay, Juice, you can try. So yeah, you want to make sure it's everywhere so you don't have any like missing parts. Because then the hot chocolate can like fall out and it just won't be good. It just fell out. Okay. So yeah, we're done. And now, after that, we're going to want to put it in your freezer so we can let them dry. No, I said. So now you have to put it in the freezer. You can put it. No, you can. Oh, yeah, that's good. They dry quick. Yeah, but they melt fast though. Oops, I'm ready.
Ma'am,
Huh?
I thought you were doing this, molds are all frozen.
So now
what are we
we
doing?
get to take these out, so you want to be careful. That's do not break.
Okay, let me
Do
put
not feel this. Whoa, guys, see, look at that. How easy that was when you go slow. Hold on. Stop. Stop, no. You
That's
get
easy
in
to
your
do it. You
spot.
can do the last one.
That came out perfect.
That's perfect.
Nasty. It's not nasty. It melts. Ouch. I think you guys might need a plate, so I'm going to go get them a plate. And we need some milk. Yeah.
Okay, your turn. Slowly.
Slow.
Slow.
Good. Oh, we have to make one more, right? Because the knife is hot.
Me and Deuce can share.
Okay. Don't lick your hands.
Okay, hold on, Deuce.
This was better than the last time. Right. Here. I'll put this on. Can you give me another one, please?
Dude, can you turn it off? That music. Copyright. Turn it off.
It's not turning off. You said because copyright?
Can't have music playing in the background.
Now we're going to get our hot chocolate. We are using the salted caramel hot chocolate.
Do y'all say caramel or do y'all say caramel?
Caramel.
Let us know in the comments. Tomato.
Oh.
What are we doing? Oh, she's taking a spoon. Okay, well, let's pay attention.
You don't want it too much, but this should be good.
Ooh, pass the peas like we used to do.
More. That looks like, don't fill it all the way to the top because you still have to put your marshmallows in. So you're going to save some space for that. But you don't got to put milk in.
I'm going to come up there a little bit so I can show y'all what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What am I thinking? Just don't drop the onion.
Focusing too hard. Okay. Yeah, I just made a mess. Are you doing sprinkles in yours?
Well, you don't have to. That's what we're going to do on the outside to decorate things.
Oh. So I'm going to take my marshmallows.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
And did she talk to me? Put them inside.
Yep, like that.
Okay, I like this.
After that, I'm going to put chocolate.
Then we close it.
First you take this, be careful because it's like kind of melting. Gonna dip that in and then close. Oh yeah, mine just melted, so I got that. Oh, mine came out like good. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea too.
My hands are already warm, so I feel like if I grab it.
Ooh, yeah, my hands. This is kind of hard, guys. My hands are like warm. Like she's. Oh, mine is perfect, but mine's got a hole in it. You better be careful. Try not to like press it down. So I have mine, and I'm just gonna leave it alone. And after we decorate, I'm gonna set it in the freezer for a little bit. Oh yeah. Yeah, don't put it right there. Put it on the table before it falls. Okay, y'all. This is mine. No. Right there. Mine is perfect. A little.
It's melting.
Yeah. Okay.
Do we need to put it in the freezer?
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and slide these in the freezer because I don't want nothing else to happen.
Okay, we're putting them in the freezer because it's melting.
So yeah, it's melting, guys. Yep.
So we've just put our bombs in the freezer and we'll be right back and show you guys what they look like.
So now we're decorating. We have some red sprinkles, white ones, and some gold sprinkles. And some more gold sprinkles. Yeah, we have a bunch. Okay, so we have our chocolate. So let's decorate. Yay!
So what do we need to do?
So how I'm going to decorate mine is I'm going to, you could decorate it any way you want. Like that.
Oh.
Okay, I know what I'm doing.
This is how it looks. I probably shouldn't touch it because it could melt, but so cool.
figure out which one it's in. Hold it.
I don't know what mine is just going to do.
I don't know what mine is doing either, but hey.
Kind of like those chocolate things. I just did mine's in ornament. Never, you can't have enough marshmallows.
Carried away. Per usual.
Whoa! I want. We definitely have to get the results of it. Well, I can get mine.
You want a marshmallow on it?
Just you gonna make it on the.
Are your hands clean?
Look at his face.
They
Look at
just
his
washed
face.
them. You just washed his hands.
Ooh, thank you, Lucy.
Look at him being nosy.
You ready, Sanai?
I want this too. Okay, guys. Guys, we're ready. Hold on, Sienna. Yes.
I don't think you're. You gotta come.
Oh, look at Deuce's. Sienna, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
She over sprinkled it.
He's doing his own over here.
3, 2. Oh, I'm scared because I don't want it to fall. How do y'all do that? Mine's just gonna fall. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
That was so
Wow.
cool.
Where's mine? Dude, see. Oh, it's mine.
It's in there.
Mommy, can I get a candy cane?
What you need a candy cane?
I want to start with that.
You better use a spoon.
I got you a spoon.
Thank you.
Look at mine. What?
How does it taste?
I don't know.
Right.
It'd be good though.
It's cute though.
Tastes like water.
What do you think, Deucey?
No. You got Coco to do. Mommy, he got it in his crate. Okay.
It's so good.
Ours kind of looks like.
Oh, period. Why is that period? Period. Period, boo. I'm not period. You said, I'm not period.
This was fun.
He's got
It tasted so good. That was so fun. You guys should. Okay, I don't want my camera to die. So thank you all for watching. If you have any questions. Oh, this is still doing his. I'll have to do my ending later.
All right, you put it in.
Okay, go put it in the freezer.
Oh.
No, it's already like molded. It just.
Anyways, just put it in there.
Yeah.
You stir it with the
Stir it
spoon.
with your. You can use this spoon too. There you go.
Now he's happy.
That's cool. What are you making, Deuce? Oh,
Chocolate bomb, cocoa bomb.
hot chocolate.
What are you doing?
Okay, thanks guys for watching.
Whoa. Mommy, you say bye.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.